Introducing Tupik Kayaker Fly. We are Gearlab Outdoors, a team of paddlers and outdoor adventure seekers. We believe in making the outdoors enjoyable and accessible for everyone. To enrich our kayak journeys, we created the Tupik, a quick shelter designed to enhance your paddle experience. We purified the fly design for quick and easy setup. No more hammering or sand digging. Specially engineered and seamlessly designed, uses kayaks as anchors, kayak paddles as pillars. We even designed the fly to be tangle-free. Tupik is an instant upgrade to your beach experience. Ready? Position your kayaks, snap the fly to your kayaks, insert your kayak paddles into the paddle sock, lift, and you are set. Enjoy simple, sleek comfort instantly. Rain or shine, the Tupik Kayaker Fly makes a popular companion. Compact and simple, bring it anywhere, anytime. Whether going solo, with a friend, or a bunch of them, elevate your beach experience instantly. We know you paddle near and far to experience the magnificent outdoors. The Tupik will enrich these magical moments.